Hello, my name is Maria Espinoza. First of all, I'd like to thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to cover the subject of roofing and how it is important to know what you're facing when you need a new roof. And I hope I'm able to guide you guys and help you make wise decisions. So, as you can tell, you probably need a new roof, whether you have weathering shingles that are crumbling, your board might be sagging, you have missing shingles. That's a telltale sign that you need to replace your roof before you have more problems. With that being said, you're going to ask yourself, well, what kind of materials do I need? Well, that really depends on the structure of your home, where you live, and ultimately how much money you'd like to spend. So I'm going to walk us through a few options, and I hope it helps. Asphalt shingles are actually the most common roofing material in North America. In fact, over 80% of households have an asphalt shingle. And an asphalt shingle is essentially a fiberglass mat with waterproof asphalt, and it's covered in these little granule rocks. They're actually baked in a very large oven, and they come out here. Very durable product. It's also very versatile, low maintenance, and it's a really good roof investment. And the typical life for these 30-year architectural shingles are anywhere between 20 and 25 years. But if the prior homeowner took great care of the roof, there's some roofs that we're seeing that are up to 40 years old on asphalt shingles. So it really just depends on how well you take care of your roof and if you have proper ventilation. Metal roofing. Metal roofing's actually really been popular lately. It's definitely more bang for your buck when you're comparing shingles and metal, because metal's going to outlive shingles 2-3 times that. It's great curb appeal, if you're in the market for selling your home or you just want that home to look great. It's excellent for that. It's also typically brings up the value of your home. Other benefits and advantages, its Energy Star rating, meaning that the film that it has can withstand high level of heat from the sun. So your panels are going to last longer and you're going to have lower utility bills as well. So you'll essentially have a energy efficient home. And another thing is that you probably more than likely will not replace your roof. Like I said, this has a very long durable life. Synthetic shingles are a beautiful, durable, state-of-the-art engineered product that are supposed to look like slate, wood shake, or clay. And if we know about those, typically real slate and shake are very expensive, very difficult to install, very heavy. So that's where these synthetic shingles come into play. They're also very, environmentally friendly. They have really good impact ratings, so if you live somewhere where it's snowing a lot of hails, it's excellent for that. And it's also just a higher end product. It's really beautiful. Single ply roof is a membrane. It's thermoplastic polyethylene, short for TPO. It's this little membrane that you use. It's typically used on commercial buildings, but I know a lot of the new modern homes are going with that contemporary flat looks, and it looks great. It's very low maintenance. It will last you over 20 years as well. Very environmentally friendly. Wood shakes and shakes are kind of more of a specialty thing if you want to use shakes for siding. A lot of people actually pick up wood shakes for little projects, as a little dollhouse or such, or a lemonade stand. But the really big difference is that the wood shingles are taper sawn and smooth in the front and back. Wood shakes are meant to have that rustic appeal and look. It looks really nice as well. Solar shingles is a new product. It's a new innovative product, and it's essentially kind of acts like a solar panel. It's extremely eco-friendly, clean. I believe you're getting government incentives and tax credits for using this product. and it is also a recyclable and very durable product. And in fact, I feel like this is where the roofing industry is going to go here in the next future. Roofing budget, I think, is the most important thing. How much money do I need? Well, it ultimately depends if you want to do it yourself or if you want to hire it out. If you're strong, if you want to save some money, and you're just a very proudful person, hands-on, I would suggest for you to do it. I've helped plenty of people do anything from shingles, metal, anything, and the satisfaction they get from doing their own work it's great. However, I know it's not for everyone, so if those things that I just mentioned do not apply, then always just hire a professional. You know, it's peace of mind, they're licensed and insured. You know, it's no hassle. A lot of them typically work with insurance companies, so they can even advocate for you. And you know, you don't need any tools to rent. They'll have everything, and most of all, you'll know the job is done right. Which leads me to the final segment of this presentation. It's very important to find a great roofing contractor. Like I mentioned, make sure they're licensed and insured. You can go ahead and check this out on the Doppel website. And another little thing I like to tell people, make sure they've been in business at least 2-3 years. You know, make sure they're a reputable company. What's Google saying? What are their clients saying? You know, make sure you do a deep look into this, because unfortunately the roofing industry is full of, you know, shady people and shady business practices, and I don't want that for you guys. So ultimately, it is very important to know everything, because this is a giant investment that you'll make on your home. We're talking about over $20,000-$30,000, and you want to make sure you make a wise choice. Make a wise choice when it comes to your materials, so you can have something durable and not have to replace it. Make a wise choice on how well you're going to budget, what kind of material you'll need, and make a wise choice in choosing a reputable roofer. And hopefully what I teach you will save you time, money, and heartache. I can't stress enough how many times I've had to have difficult conversations with homeowners because they hired someone that wasn't licensed. Well, guess what? When that person's not licensed and the material's not installed correctly, they need to replace it again. So essentially, having to replace the roof again. So I hope I'm able to help you guys, and I've really enjoyed my time here, and I wish you the best of luck. Thank you.